Alright, what's up guys? I decided the second video on my channel is going to be a catch, clean, cook video. This is Labor Day weekend 2023. I went out yesterday, we had a little dove shoot, I killed a few morning doves. We're going to pluck these and then try them in two different popper recipes that I like. One, the traditional jalapeno poppers, but also another one with some pickled banana peppers. I'm going to go pluck these birds really quick and then I'll get started with the recipe. Alright, we plucked those doves. We got, I think, 6 little breasts. As you can see here, I got actually some mallard. I said wood duck earlier, but I'm pretty sure this is mallard from last year. Clearly the breasts are much bigger. I'm going to cut these breasts up into pieces the size of these dove breasts, which are pretty much perfect for a jalapeno popper or a piece of bacon. And then afterwards we'll go through how I make my poppers. Alright, so again, we're going to do 2 different types of poppers in this recipe. These are pretty much the ingredients I have lined up for 2 types. One is your traditional jalapeno popper, which is obviously the jalapenos are here. These are from my garden. I grow enough each year that I can pretty much freeze them. These ones are fresh, but I have enough in the freezer for the next 12 months. I mean, 3 or 4 gallons full. So we'll start with these, but the next ones I'm gonna make are with these pickled banana peppers that I also have in my garden. And both of these are equally good, and in some cases this one is even more delicious and easier to make. So we'll show you guys how I go through that step by step. So we're actually gonna do the pickled banana pepper recipe first. I have my bacon over here. I typically cut those in half because the duck breasts I cut up, or the dove breasts, are small enough that you can cut them in half. So we'll start with the dove. Got one breast here with a little chunk of white meat attached. We actually like to use a little teriyaki seasoning with our poppers. So before I put them on the bacon, I usually take them, drop them into the sauce, and then when we take them out of the oven, or right before I take them out of the oven, I will glaze them with teriyaki again on top of the bacon. Alright, so we got that guy there. We're going to move this bacon temporarily, and we're going to grab a piece here off the top. Get it off. Alright, lay that guy flat. Grab our popper with teriyaki. We're using our fingers here because this is a wild animal. Then, actually take that back, we're going to get a slice of our cream cheese here. Put that on top, and then we are going to take our fork and grab a pickled banana pepper that's sliced up off of it. Put that right on top, and then we are going to roll this up into a popper. Now traditionally people like to use toothpicks, and that may have helped in this situation, but I don't have any toothpicks, and typically that comes out just right like that. Alright, now we're going to do the traditional jalapeno poppers. Not a whole lot of instructions needed because most people know how to do these, but again, jalapenos from the garden. I cut them in half, scrape the seeds out. We're going to take a thick piece of cream cheese here, put it in the middle, and you just take your fingers and spread that nice goodness out. That's really going to negate the spice from the jalapeno. So once we have our cream cheese boat, we're going to grab a nice piece of black duck or mallard here, place that into the middle, and then you grab your half piece of bacon and you kind of just wrap that piece around real nice, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, poppers are finally done. We're having a little bit of a late dinner, but I ate some of the poppers off camera. Absolutely delicious, but the jalapenos and the ones with the pickled banana peppers were absolutely phenomenal. A wonderful fiance made some asparagus and some homemade mashed potatoes, and we're topping that off with a little glass of red wine. It's a wonderful start to the hunting season. I'm really looking forward to future adventures and meals. Stay tuned for more.
I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay, so I can sit out.